Hello everyone, and welcome back. Tomorrow morning I'm heading up to the tent. Haven't been up there in quite a while. It'll be nice to get up there. It's going to be a warm weekend, but I finally have a weekend where I can get up there, and I'm really looking forward to it. Duck hunting opener this year is on September 22nd, so that'll be coming up pretty soon. My dad got drawn for bear hunting, and this weekend he's going up to the folks' cabin, and he's going to be sighting in his muzzleloader. He's never shot a bear before, and he even got a guide up there. And anyway, he's going to hunt it with a muzzleloader, and I think that starts, he said, in about 3 weeks. So that must put it right around September 1st. I think the guide that he got up in that area has like an 85% success rate, and that's could be higher, but you know, people don't shoot the small bears, so it should be pretty exciting. When I can get up there, I'll be up there. I don't know if I'll be up there when he shoots a bear because work is busy right now, but anyway, I'm pretty excited for him, and I think it's going to be a pretty fun time for him. Okay everyone, well thanks a lot for watching. Just wanted to give you a quick update. Going to the tent this weekend. This time of year the garden starts dying down, hunting season starts coming up, and things start getting busy on Joe and Zach Survival. It's almost time to get the lights going out here. The days are getting shorter. I'll see you guys on the next video.